In the heart of the Carpathian Mountains, an enterprise has been crafting exquisite Christmas ornaments for over 20 years. This is the birthplace of products that decorate thousands of Christmas trees across Ukraine and are supplied to partners worldwide. KM represents a systemic approach to manufacturing, backed by years of stable results and market trust. The company is a recipient of the Ukrainian Business Award and numerous other industry distinctions that affirm its sterling reputation. KM specializes in the production of plastic Christmas baubles and blown decorative figurines. Our partners have access to a vast assortment of over 3,000 items, from classic spherical shapes to modern designer collections. The production process is organized so that every stage, from molding the details to final packaging, is strictly monitored. This allows our partners to plan their stock levels accurately and build their seasonal offers with confidence. Sustainability and eco-solutions. KM pays special attention to environmental responsibility. The use of PLA bioplastic allows us to create an eco-friendly range that meets the modern requirements of global retail and conscious consumers. Our facilities ensure regular shipments, even during peak holiday seasons. Scale and efficiency. Every day, KM produces up to 10,000 Christmas ornaments. Such high productivity ensures consistent and predictable processes. The sheer breadth of our catalog enables partners to meet most of their sourcing needs in one place, significantly optimizing supplier management. A partnership-driven model, KM builds cooperation based on long-term partnership. The company provides OEM and private label manufacturing, offering accessible MOQs, personalized pricing, and a flexible discount system. Each partner is assigned a dedicated manager who provides support at every stage, from the initial inquiry to the final shipment. KM merges deep-rooted expertise with modern solutions to help our partners achieve more.